Perth, when you look at and I'm only answering this question in terms of the capitals because it was sort of mentioned. If you are looking at all of those capitals as your options, Perth really is positioning itself with the longer term capital growth, but particularly the buy zone for our entry into 2022. Remember, we are not buying Perth overall. We are buying an individual property in an individual street, in an individual suburb, in an individual local government area of Perth. So we can be very picky. When we did, so more broadly, so probably to answer your question at a higher level, and this is, just opinion and projections, Perth is positioned to be able to allow us to effectively invest for the highest returns for the next 12 months. It's not to say it's going to be the highest returning city. The steam in Brisbane and Adelaide and Hobart might still pip it, but Perth, we're making money in multiple ways. We're actually acquiring properties. When you're buying properties in Brisbane at the moment and it grows in 15% in value in the next 12 months, you may have actually overpaid half of that 15% when you bought the property, right? So you are part of that growth story 6 months down the track because you overpaid for the property. And that's something that people don't really consider when they're buying into these heated markets. Perth is a market where we can really understand value. We've got leverage. We can come in, we can negotiate, and we're very comfortable with what we're seeing around the growth signals, but we can have a firm footing so we can have that base to launch the growth upon far more consistently.